Now let's continue to our example. We have already opened business partner master data. Now I told you that if you want to retrieve the list of all customers and vendors, you will just use steric and press enter. Like this, we can see all the customers and vendor details. Now, obviously we are on OEC computers, so we have the limited data for customers and vendors. Means altogether they are 20 something records. But if you use practically SAP in any company, you will have much more data in this list. So for example, if I want to use the find function and I want to find this particular vendor, that is Lasercom. So if I click on Maxitech, means my current selection is on Maxitech. If I want to search Lasercom, so I can notice that nothing properly works because it doesn't find Lasercom with by just writing. Now, if I try the code of Lasercom, that is V20000, so it will highlight this. So it seems like this find field or search engine works according to the business partner code, but that is not the case. A lot of people who are using SAP in companies don't know that actually this search function or search tab works according to the sorting of the column. That means you can notice this arrow sign with business partner code. That means it is to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Means if the arrow is down, this is descending order, and if it is up, it is ascending order, or you can say that alphabetical sequence A to Z or Z to A. Now if I sort this column by just double clicking it, this arrow sign will come with this column. It will show up with this column. So whatever column is sorted in the list of business partner, this find search field will work according to that. Now if I write Lasercom, so you will notice that it will pick up Lasercom with just writing in the field. So this is what you need to remember. Now if I want to open any record, for example Machina Corporation, let's open it. By double clicking it, you can open. Now this is my view mode. View mode means that in which you are just viewing the existing record after retrieving. That means I found the record, I retrieved it, and now I'm just looking at it. So this is my view mode. Now if I want to make any changes to it, for example it is Machina Corporation Limited, and now I want to save it, it will automatically change this tab to update. That means update mode will be automatically activated if you make any changes to the existing records. So I can click update and click yes. Now I made the changes. Now I want to find another customer, but right now I'm in view mode. So I have to change the mode first to find mode. Now what is the short key for it? It is Control F. So all the fields will be changed to yellow. Now, for example, I want to find a customer named Anthony. So I'll simply write Anthony in name. Actually, it is a vendor. So it will find this vendor for me. Similarly, if I want to find a company, which I remember ends with limited, but I don't remember the starting name. Means it is a limited company, but I exactly don't know about but I exactly don't remember the name of that company. So to extract all the limited companies, I'll write steric for the part which I forgot, and after that I'll write limited. Means whatever it starts with, it should end up with limited. So just find these records. So as soon as I type it, it will show us limited, Machina Corporation Limited only. Let's see what commons do we have to give you a proper example. Now for example, I make changes to this Microchips Limited. Let's make changes to it, then find our record again. Acme Associates. Let's say I place limited after that. Now if I click static, if I write static and then write limited, so it will highlight all the limited customers which have limited in their name. Similarly, if I want to find any customer, let's see an example first. For example, I want to find this customer with this phone number, but I only remember the ending digits, that is 126. So let's see if I press Ctrl F and I write that I forgot the starting numbers, but it ends with 126. So it will automatically pick Machina Corporation for this. So these are the use. So this is the effective use of modes in SAP Business One.